Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to remove your YouTube account from other devices. So let's get started. So if you have logged in your YouTube account in multiple devices and now if you want to remove them, then what you can do is just simply follow some easy steps. First, what you have to do is just open up your YouTube. After opening up your YouTube application, now what you can do is just tap on the profile icon which is on the bottom right. And after tapping on your profile icon, now what you can do is just simply tap on the gear icon which is on the top right, then tap on accounts. After tapping on accounts, now what you have to do is just simply tap on manage account which is on the bottom. So just tap on manage account, and after tapping on manage account, now you'll find the following email accounts that you have in your device. So what you can do is just simply select one or just select the email that you want to remove from the other devices, and after selecting it, now you just have to tap on Google account. And after tapping on Google account, now what you have to do is just scroll towards the right and you will find this option which is security. Just tap on security, and after tapping on security, now you just have to scroll down, and after scrolling down you should find this option which is manage all devices. So you will find this option inside your devices section. You will find manage all devices. Just simply tap on manage all devices, and after tapping on that, now you can find all the devices that your account has been connected to or if it's linked to. So what you can do is just simply deny the access to those accounts or to those devices. So you will find the following device. What you have to do is just simply select one, and after selecting it, here you will find sign out option. So just simply tap on sign out, and after tapping on sign out, your account will be removed from that device. So you can just simply select some other devices. So just select a Windows device if it's connected to, and then tap on sign out, and that will be removed. So you can also follow these easy steps and then remove your account from other devices. So that's it guys, this is how to remove your YouTube account from other devices. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.